Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning yourself in an online session and opening the menu that controls inventory. Once done, navigate to the weapons or ammunition section so you can see purchasable firearms. This avoids running around. Make sure you confirm your in-game balance and rank requirements before you attempt to buy. If you lack funds, perform a short mission or sell an asset to raise cash. This step readies you to purchase rather than hunt for the item. Next, go directly to Ammunition or use the in-game Mazebank/Ammunition web store to search for the service carbine under assault rifles. Once located, verify the price and any required unlock conditions. If you meet them, confirm the purchase and choose Immediate Equip or send to your personal weapon locker. After buying, open your weapon wheel and assign the carbine to a convenient slot. This saves time when you head into the... Finally, equip the service carbine from the weapon wheel and test it immediately in free roam or at a shooting range to confirm functionality. Customize with attachments like optics, suppressor, or extended mags at any ammunition counter to match your playstyle. If the weapon does not appear after purchase, first reopen the menu and restart your session. Make sure your rank and purchase history show ownership. If problems persist, verify platform transactions and contact Rockstar support for recovery steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.